Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I built this lawn striping kit so that you can have a lawn that looks like this. First thing you need is a 1" by 1/8" piece of steel. I have it mounted to the frame with some bolts and some washers and spacers so that it does move up and down. One thing you want to make sure of when you're building this bracket, mounting bracket here, that it's long enough so that you got a good enough angle. You don't want it coming straight down, and you don't want it too close to the tires, because if you got the angle too shallow, chances are when you're backing up it's gonna slip underneath and you run it over with your tire. So be sure that you make this long enough. And I use this solid piece of steel tubing, and there is a cotter key in there with a washer on the end that holds the wheels in place. And then it is welded to a steel tube right down in here, and that tube has a bushing inside of it so it doesn't wear out when it's spinning around. And these wheels do spin pretty easy. The other thing you want to make sure when you're building it is that it's the same width as your tires, or just slightly. I like to keep it probably right in the center of the tire. You don't want to go outside of the tire. So make sure you size it according to the width of your outside of your rear tires. Well, thanks for joining me again today. If you guys have any questions on how I built this, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll also leave a link in the description on everything that I used and where you can get it. If you're slightly handy with welding, you should have no problem building this, and it'll save you a lot of money versus buying one online. Thanks for joining me again today. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.